Hi everyone, I Aishi Jain working as a legal intern in LexisQ Company. Today in this video I am describing about medical termination of pregnancy bill 2021. The Rajya Sabha passed the medical termination of pregnancy amendment bill in March 2021. The bill was passed by the lower court in 2020. This is an important bill that seeks to enhance the reproduction right of a woman in India. This video this video is about the medical termination pregnancy bill 2021 and the original act that can be enacted in 1971. Medical termination of pregnancy amendment bill 2021 provisions. The bill seeks to be amend the medical termination of pregnancy MTP Act 1971. This act cover about the abortion in India. It has amended in 1975 and 2002. Before the enactment of the legislation, abortion was prohibited under section 312 of Indian Penal Code (IPC). According to the PMT Act 1971, a pregnancy may be medically terminated by a registered medical practitioner. First, where the length of the pregnancy does not exceed 12 weeks. For this, the opinion of one doctor was required. Second, where the length of pregnancy has exceeded 12 weeks but does not exceed 20 weeks, in case for the abortion to take place, two doctors must be the opinion that the continuation of pregnancy would impair the mental or the physical health of the mother and or that if a child is born it would suffer serious physical or mental abnormalities cause it to be handicapped. Third point, the law also required minor pregnant women to get written consent of their guardian for the abortion to be allowed. Proposed features of the new bill. First, the bill permitted abortion to allow up to 20 weeks on the opinion of just one medical practitioner. Second, to terminate pregnancy between 20 to 24 weeks, the opinion of two doctors is required. This extension of the gestation period up to 24 weeks is given for a special category of women such as rape, insect victim, differently abled women and minors. Third point, for abortion beyond 24 weeks, a state level mental board will be decided if it can be permitted in case of sustainable portable abnormalities. First, the board consists of gynecologists, pediatricians, radiologists, sonographer, and many other number of members as notified by the state government. For only doctors with specialization in gynecology or obstetrics can perform abortion. Fifth, according to the bill, name and another particular of women whose pregnancy has been terminated shall not be revealed except the person authorized by the law. Sixth point, in case where abortion are desired to be terminated pregnancy arising out of rape, where the gestation period exceeds 24 weeks, the only manner would throw a writ petition. Furthermore, MTP Act bill needed. The amendment was introduced in the Parliament because the older Act has certain concerns which has to be addressed now. First, the MTP Act amendment because it is outdated in many aspects and has failed to take cognizance of latest development in field of medical science. Current medical technology allows abortion at advanced stages of pregnancy. Second, also the provision that minor required abortion should be written consent from parents, guardian was regressive in some respect. The new bill has removed these requirements. The generic in order enactment lead to many queries and unqualified persons running illegal abortion clinics, endangering the life of many women. It is expected that new amendment will help tackle this issue and bring more abortion into organized domain wherein qualified medical practitioner can be decide and perform safe abortion. Some tables according to bill MTP bill 2021 time since conception requirement of adoption. Up to 12 weeks advice of one doctor, 12 to 20 weeks advice of one doctor, 20 to 24 weeks advice of two doctors for some category of pregnant women, exceed 24 weeks medical board in case of substantial fetal abnormalities any time during pregnancy, one doctor if abortion is needed immediately necessary to save pregnant women's life. Medical termination of Amendment Bill 2021 benefit. The intended benefit of passing the amendment are discussed as first, many fetal abnormalities are detected only after the 12th week of pregnancy. The new provision would cater to such cases. Second, the amendment law would allow rape victims, disabled and minor women to abort unwanted pregnancies safely and legally. Third point, the bill also applied to unmarried women, thus the removing of regressive clause of the 1971 Act which said the unmarried woman could not ask for the adoption citing conceptual failure as a reason. Fourth point, allow unmarried women the right to legal termination and unwanted pregnancy with a provision to protect her right will confer reproductive right of the woman. MTP amendment bill concern. A few concerns that has been raised regarding this new amendment. Some of these are: first, society in general still prefer the male child and there are number of cases of illegal clinic that provide sex determination facility which is banned. There is concern that more liberal law or abortion might add to the problem of female foeticide. Second, late termination of pregnancy may get in conflict with the validity of fetus. Availability is the period from which the fetus can live outside the mother womb. Viability improve with upgrade in medical technology. Third point, there is a shortage of qualified doctors and despite the new law, the access of women to safe abortion may still be impaired. Fifth point, another concern with the bill is that the 20 weeks cap on abortion is arbitrary. Many fetal abnormalities are detected in the 18 to 22 weeks window when the fetus is said to be substantially developed. Fifth and last point, there is an ethical perspective to issue of abortion as well as the person opinion that the state has to protect all life including the life of unborn fetus. Thank you.